Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be going over why your Steam might not be opening up. So let's get right into it. We'll be going over some things that you can fix in Steam itself, and then some other things that might be the problem of why Steam is not opening. So first of all, what you can do is check if the Steam application is actually down. So maybe the server is not online, maybe no one can launch it at the moment. You can do that by just checking Steam server status, and then you will know if Steam is online right now. Go to Steam status and you can see all the servers that are online right now. You can see here Steam store, everything is normal right now, so I should be able to open Steam. The next thing you can do is check if maybe you already have Steam open. Sometimes you have a lot of tabs open, you can't find it anymore, and then you try opening it, but it's already open. So to check that, just click Alt and then Tab, and now you can see all of your applications right here, and you can check if Steam is already open. So just click Alt and Tab simultaneously, and you'll be able to check if you already have it open somewhere. What can help sometimes is ending Steam processes through the Task Manager. So just click Control-Shift-Escape on your keyboard simultaneously, and now you can see everything that's open right here. Now you want to look for this right here, and then right click on anything Steam related, and then click on End Task, and that will reset everything, close everything, so then it can start correctly when you try opening it again. So that helps a ton of times. Also with other things like Epic Games Launcher, for example, just close it through the Task Manager. So the next thing you can do is deleting the app cache. This can help it starting up sometimes. So to do that, go into your file explorer and you want to look for Steam. So usually it will be in your program files, and then you can look for Steam right here. If you don't find it, just type in Steam up top here. So after you found the whole Steam application and all the data, then you can want to look for app cache, and you want to delete this right here. Just copy it to make sure that you have it saved somewhere so it's not completely gone in case you need it again. Then you can hit delete, and then actually when you restart Steam now, it should automatically be downloaded again. So this app cache will appear again once you've opened Steam again. So no worries about that, and you have it copied anyways. So copy it for safety, but it should automatically just be here again once you've restarted Steam. So that's something you can try, deleting the app cache. The last thing Steam related you can try is uninstalling and reinstalling Steam. You can do that by just going to the settings, go to your apps, and now you can look for Steam right here. Scroll down a bit, this is alphabetically ordered normally, and you can find Steam right here, and then you can hit uninstall, and then you just reinstall it once you've uninstalled it. That will just reset everything, might help you restart Steam. So then a few other things that you can check. If Steam is not the problem, make sure your internet connection is right. Maybe restart your router, restart your whole PC. That might help as well. Restarting your PC and router can always help, not only with Steam. If you're using a VPN, that might also be the problem. Maybe there's some security issue with Steam. They don't realize that you're using a VPN, or they know that you're using one, don't want you to use one. Then turn it off for 1 to 5 minutes. Check if it works then. That might help you as well. And what you can also do is turn off any firewall or antivirus program that you maybe got newly that doesn't recognize Steam, or go into the app and say that Steam is allowed to run on your PC and it's not a dangerous file. So check that. Then update your operating system, of course. Go to the settings, check if you have everything updated. Just go to settings, go to updates and security, and then check if you're up to date right here at the top. The last thing, if this all didn't help you, you can try to contact the Steam support. Maybe they have a better solution for you, but I hope it did. These are some really good solutions you can try that should work most of the time. And yeah, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if this helped you out, and comment down below if you have any more questions.